Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video I am going to show you how you can clean proper way your electric shaver. If you are using electric shaver for your shaving, this video will help you how you can clean proper, how you can open it and then wash inside so it will clean properly. So this video you will watch till end, so it will help you how you can clean it proper way and then how can you assemble and disassemble that electric shaver.